The Avalon, a 5-bottleless water dispenser, presents a cutting-edge solution to hydration needs, seamlessly blending innovation with functionality. Boasting a comprehensive installation kit, patented dual filtration, and versatile 3-temperature settings, this dispenser transcends conventional designs. Its commitment to sustainability, child-safe features, and self-cleaning capabilities make it a standout choice for households or offices seeking a reliable and advanced water dispensing solution. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation Kit. This water dispenser impresses with a comprehensive installation kit, including 20 of 1/4 tubing, a 3-way plastic 1/4 push-connect adapter, undersink 3/8 adapter with shut-off valve, filter flushing adapter, and detailed instructions with illustrations. This ensures a hassle-free setup, even for those with minimal plumbing experience. Number 2. Dual Filtration. Equipped with patented dual filters, this dispenser guarantees clean and refreshing water. The filters boast a remarkable lifespan of 6 months or 1,500 gallons, providing users with long-lasting filtration performance and reducing the need for frequent replacements and maintenance. Number 3. 3 temperatures. This dispenser offers a versatile drinking experience with 3 temperature settings: crisp cold, cool, and piping hot. This flexibility caters to varied preferences, ensuring users can enjoy their preferred beverage temperature with just a simple press of a button, making it suitable for a range of beverages from chilled water to hot tea. Number 4. Bottleless Design. The bottle's design of this dispenser not only promotes environmental sustainability, but also eliminates the need for constant water purchases. The dual filtration system, consisting of a sediment filter and a carbon block filter, ensures that water from your source is thoroughly purified, delivering a cost-effective and eco-friendly hydration solution. Number 5. Self-cleaning feature. A standout feature of this dispenser is its self-cleaning functionality, providing users with a hygienic and purified water source. The automatic cleaning of the water tank using ozone injection, activated by a simple switch, adds a layer of convenience to maintenance, ensuring the longevity and cleanliness of the dispenser. Number 6. Nightlight and filter indicator. The built-in nightlight enhances visibility in low light conditions, making the water spouts easily accessible at night. Additionally, the replace filter indicator illuminates when a filter change is needed, ensuring users are promptly alerted to maintain optimal filtration performance and enjoy consistently clean and refreshing water. Number 7. Child-safe design. Safety is a priority with this dispenser, which features a child safety lock on the hot water spout. This ensures worry-free usage for the entire family. The hot water faucet, reaching approximately 185 degrees Fahrenheit, is secured to prevent accidental burns, providing peace of mind while allowing convenient access to hot water for beverages or meals. Number 8. Innovative stainless steel design. Crafted with an innovative stainless steel cabinet, this dispenser combines durability with a sleek aesthetic. Number 9. Efficient cooling and heating. The highly efficient compressor in this dispenser ensures crisp and ice-cold water at approximately 47 degrees Fahrenheit without the need for additional ice cubes. Simultaneously, the hot faucet delivers steaming hot water at around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for brewing tea or coffee. The 1-liter hot water and 3.6-liter cold water tanks meet diverse hydration needs. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 14 inches, depth by 12 inches, width by 41 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Comprehensive installation kit. Patented dual filtration. 3 temperature settings. Bottleless design. 1 reason not to buy. Initial cost investment might be higher. Conclusion. The Avalon A5 bottleless water dispenser stands out as a feature-rich and user-friendly solution, combining innovative design, advanced filtration, and safety features to deliver a reliable and efficient hydration experience for households or offices. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.